English, Grade 8.
Tape script 3.7.1.
Have some rice. Eat it up. Yum, yum, yum. Eat it up. Up, up, up. Have some apples. Eat them up. Yum, yum, yum. Eat them up. Up, up, up. Have an orange. Eat it up. Yum, yum, yum. Eat it up. Up, up, up. Have some milk. Drink it down. Yum, yum, yum. Drink it down. Down, down, down.
Tape script 3.7.2.
A. Some orange juice. B. Some tea. C. Some bread. D. Sweets. E. A chocolate bar. F. Limes. G. A banana. H. Carrots. I. Some salt. J. Some sugar.
Tape script 3.7.3.
It's picnic time.
Hi, I'm Pisai. My picnic box is over there. It's got some salt and some sugar. It's also got carrots and a banana.
Hi, I'm Watai. That's my picnic box. It's got 6 oranges and a lime. It's got some bread and some tea too.
Hi, I'm Levon. My picnic box has got 4 carrots and 10 eggs. It has got some orange juice and 3 chocolate bars and some sweets.
Tape script 3.7.4.
Oh, picnics are my favorite. I love eating by the park.
Okay, everyone, it's time to eat. Let's open our boxes together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dad, are those eggs? Are we only eating eggs at the picnic?
Of course not, Aruni. Here's what we have for lunch today. Grass. Tape script 3.7.5.
I don't know what to eat. I'm so hungry.
Would you like some rice?
Yes, please. I like some rice and some fish. Yummy.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, but not for lunch. I only drink tea for lunch.
Would you like some fruit?
Yes, I love apples. Can I have some apples, please?
I'm so hungry. I don't know what to eat.
Okay. Do you like fruit and vegetables?
Yes, I like them a lot. I don't eat meat, I don't eat chicken, and I don't eat pork.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't. I only drink water. I drink lots of water and milk.
Would you like some fruit for lunch?
Yes, please. I like some mangoes.
I'm hungry. What can I have for lunch today?
Do you like fruit and vegetables?
No, not really, but I like meat. I like chicken a lot.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I do. I drink tea every day at home.
Do you like apples?
No, but I like oranges.
I'm hungry. What's for lunch today?
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I love noodles with vegetables and meat. It's my favorite.
Okay. Do you drink tea?
Yes, sometimes, but I don't drink tea at lunch. I like orange juice for lunch.
Would you like some sweets?
Some sweets for lunch? No way.
Tape script 3.8.1.
Hi, Mom. Is it okay if I help you prepare dinner for Aunt Sokna and Uncle Panya?
Yes, that would be great.
What are you making?
I'm making prawns, fried chicken, fried vegetables, soup, and boiled rice.
That sounds delicious. Can I help?
Can you pass me the prawns from the fridge?
Here, Mom. Wow, they're huge.
Will you light the barbecue so I can cook the chicken?
Okay, Mom, the barbecue is burning.
Thanks. Can you put the chicken and prawns on the barbecue?
Okay. How long do they take to cook?
Don't worry, I'll tell you when they are cooked.
What else can I do?
Will you chop the green beans and the cauliflower, please?
Okay. Can you pass the knife, please?
Will you pass the vegetables, please, Bisay?
Here they are, Mom.
The chicken and prawns are cooked. Can you take them off the barbecue and will you put them on the plates, please?
I'm finished, Mom.
Thanks, Bisay.
Tape script 3.8.2.
1. Can you help me carry these? 2. Will you close the door, please? 3. Can you collect all the books? 4. Will you ask them to be quiet? 5. Can you come with me? 6. Will you bring me a soda? 7. Can you fix my bicycle? 8. Will you change the channel?
Tape script 3.8.3.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Could you take a seat, please? Good afternoon, Pisay. Would you mind closing the door, please?
Good afternoon, Mr. Sowan. Could you tell me why I'm here, please?
Of course, Mrs. We are having some problems with Pisay's behavior. She has been very cheeky to some of our teachers.
Mr. Sowan, I'm only playing and having fun.
Would you mind being quiet while I speak to your mother?
Could you be quiet and stop crying, Pisay, while I talk to Mr. Sowan?
Pisay, would you mind waiting outside while we talk about your punishments?
I'm sorry, Mr. Sowan. She can be very naughty sometimes.
That's okay. You are not to blame, Mrs.
Thank you.
Would you mind allowing Pisay to stay behind after class for 1 week? We want her to clean the classroom, empty the straws, and clean the bathroom.
That's no problem, Mr. Sowan. She needs to learn how to behave. Could you arrange for someone to call me when she is finished so I can pick her up?
Thank you, Mrs. I'll call you myself as soon as she has finished her duties. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Sowan. Thanks for your help.
Tape script 3.8.4.
A. Would you mind closing the door, please? B. Could you tell me why I'm here, please? C. Would you mind being quiet while I speak to your mother? D. Could you be quiet and stop crying, Pisay, while I talk to Mr. Sowan? E. Would you mind waiting outside while we talk about your punishments? F. Would you mind allowing Pisay to stay behind after class for 1 week? G. Could you arrange for someone to call me when she is finished so I can pick her up?
Tape script 3.8 3.5.
Okay, if we all work together, we'll pass the exams easily.
That would be great. I'm not very good at exams.
I don't need any help. I always do well in my exams.
Shh! Lee-Wan, everyone works together at exam time.
Okay, what should we do?
Lee-Wan, can you organize our review sessions?
Okay.
Wat Tay, will you write our study schedules?
No problem.
Lee-Wan, can you create some quizzes to help us revise?
Okay.
Will you also collect the books we need from the library?
No problem. Can you organize some food and drink, Pisay?
Okay.
Wat Tay, will you bring paper, pens, and pencils, please?
Okay.
Lee-Wan, can you speak to the teacher and ask for some study tips?
No problem.
Wat Tay, will you collect the mock exams so we can practice?
Okay, no problem. I think we have everything planned now.
Okay.
Okay.
Tape script 3.8.6.
A.
Lee-Wan, can you organize our review sessions?
B.
Wat Tay, will you write our study schedules?
C.
Lee-Wan, can you create some quizzes to help us revise?
D.
Will you also collect the books we need from the library?
E.
Can you organize some food and drinks?
F.
Wat Tay, will you bring paper, pens, and pencils, please?
G.
Lee-Wan, can you speak to the teacher and ask for some study tips?
H.
Wat Tay, will you collect the mock exams so we can practice?
Tape script 3.9.1.
A. How much milk? B. How many eggs? C. How much rice? D. How many tomatoes? E. How much cheese? F. How many potatoes? G. How much coffee? H. How many carrots?
Tape script 3.9.2.
A. Can I have some bananas, please?
How many?
4, please. B. Can I have some salt, please?
How much?
10 grams, please. C. Can I have some soup, please?
How much?
1 liter, please. D. Can I have some melons, please?
How many?
2, please. E. Can I have some beef, please?
How much?
100 grams, please.
Tape script 3.9.3.
I've been really busy this week.
What have you been doing?
I've been shopping for food for my family's New Year's party. I'm worried that I haven't bought enough.
Okay, tell me what you have bought and we can check together.
I bought 100 grams of beef.
Wat Tay, that is not enough to feed everyone. You need to buy some more.
I bought 300 spring rolls.
That's good. That should be enough.
I bought 60 kilograms of rice.
That's enough to feed the whole school, Wat Tay. It will feed your family for weeks.
I wanted to make sure we had enough. I also bought 24 cans of Coca-Cola.
There will be a lot of children at the party. You should buy some more cans of Coca-Cola.
I bought 20 kilograms of chicken.
That should be enough.
I bought 1 huge chocolate cake.
Sounds good. I can't wait to taste it.
I bought 60 kilograms of pork.
Wow, you must really like pork. It should last as long as all the rice you bought.
I bought 100 cookies for the kids.
Sounds good. It's going to be a great party with they.
Tape script 3.9.4.
A. How much beef did she buy? B. How many spring rolls did she buy? C. How much rice did she buy? D. How many cans of Coca-Cola did she buy? E. How much chicken did she buy? F. How many cakes did she buy? G. How much pork did she buy? H. How many cookies did she buy?